Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
Residents of Nkpolu and Rumuigbo communities in Obiakpo local government area of Rivers State have called on the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, to fix dilapidated sections of the Obiwali Road and provide a lasting solution to recurring flood incidents in the area. The call follows a severe damage on the affected parts of Obiwali Road and the destruction of several buildings, including residential homes, by persistent flooding in the area.
Nkpolu Rumuigbo is strategically located close to the east-west road and easily accessible from the University of Port Harcourt and the Port Harcourt International Airport. It's a densely populated neighborhood that has been a major commercial hub in Obiakpo local government area of Rivers State. In recent years, commuting along one of its busiest roads, the Obiwali Road, has been a nightmare for passengers and motorists due to its dilapidated condition. Worried that the terrible state of the road is taking a toll on commercial activities in the area, members of Rumuigbo and Nkpolu communities have appealed to the NDDC for intervention. They made the appeal recently when the Rivers State representative on the board of the NDDC, Honorable Tony Okocha, visited the community to assess the impact of recurring flood disasters.
Anytime it rains, Nkpolu is a no-go area for anybody. In fact, sometimes when it rains heavily, the kids that enter there, they will be struggling to bring them out because of the gutter.
We are calling on NDDC to come and help us and work on the roads.
Other residents also lamented destruction of buildings in the wake of flood disasters dating back to 2019.
Like what we are seeing here now, in the next than 1 year coming self, all these houses will fall.
Business has been bad in the sense that most of the tenants are packed out of Nkpolu because of the bad road.
In his response, Honorable Tony Okocha, who assured the people that the NDDC was concerned about their plight, said it would convey their complaints to the management of the commission for possible intervention.
This road is very crucial and useful. So both people who do commerce here, buying and selling, we are at the verge of preparing our budget as a commission. So I can rest assure you that that is going to be one of my priorities. At least I've come here to see for myself, and I'm going to ensure that it's part of our budget and that it will be executed.
Over the years, the NDDC has contributed significantly to the socio-economic development of Obiakpo local government area, with the construction and rehabilitation of scores of internal roads. Residents of Rumuigbo and Nkpolu are optimistic that the NDDC will extend its intervention to their communities by fixing the Obiwali Road, which has been seriously damaged by incessant flooding.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,